In this video, we will compare two popular gimbals from DJI, the Ronin-SC and the 4 Rupees Pro. We'll explore their features, specifications, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Whether you're a vlogger looking for portability or a professional filmmaker needing advanced capabilities, we've got you covered. The DJI Ronin-SC has a payload capacity of 2 kilograms, making it suitable for smaller mirrorless cameras. In contrast, the 4 Rupees Pro can handle up to 4.5 kilograms, allowing it to support larger DSLR and cinema cameras. This difference in payload capacity is crucial for users who require flexibility in their camera setups. When it comes to weight, the Ronin-SC is lighter at 1.24 kilograms, making it easier to carry for long shoots. The 4 Rupees Pro, while heavier at 1.84 kilograms, offers more stability and advanced features, which may justify the extra weight for professional use. The DJI Ronin-SC offers basic features suitable for casual users, while the 4 Rupees Pro is equipped with advanced functionalities such as LiDAR focusing and native vertical shooting. These features enhance the filmmaking experience, making the 4 Rupees Pro a better choice for professionals. In conclusion, the choice between the DJI Ronin-SC and the 4 Rupees Pro depends on your specific needs. If you're looking for a lightweight, budget-friendly option for vlogging, the Ronin-SC is a great choice. However, if you require advanced features and higher payload capacity for professional filmmaking, the 4 Rupees Pro is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.